everyone! Did you know that SpeedLight has a handy feature called Mass IMs? This feature lets you create recipient groups and send mass messages to everyone in those groups with just a few clicks. Let's create a folder together and send out a mass mailing. Go to Settings and select IM Folders. Then click Add Folder. Here you can enter a name for the folder. Click Save. Then go to the IM section. We can see that a new folder has appeared here and it is still empty. Select Mass IMs here or from the menu on the left. Now you can enter the recipient list for your Mass IM. You can copy the recipients' names from your message list as shown here. It's easy to do. For this example, we'll use 4 recipients. Enter the text of your message. Let's keep it simple. Hi. Make sure to check the option to add the messages sent to these recipients to our new folder. Now click Start Delivery. Now wait for the system to send the messages to these recipients. Important! Do not close this screen while the messages are being sent. The delivery is complete. It takes seconds per recipient. Open the new folder and you'll see all of our messages there. This way you can organize your friends, clients, or colleagues into different folders and send them messages individually or in bulk.